Yes, hello, welcome once again. We are looking at perimeter. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the perimeter of different shapes. Given in this example, we have perimeter of a rhombus, we have a square, we have a triangle, we have a rectangle. Now, the formula is the same, but we need to first of all know what perimeter is. So perimeter is the total distance around the shape. Normally the keyword for perimeter is around. So the distance that is around the shape. If you are given this is a rhombus which has equal length. So in this case you have 0.46 kilometers on each and every side. You can choose to multiply this times 4 because there are 4 sides, or you add this in 4 times. So this is supposed to be in 3 steps. Here you've put the formula, that is side plus side plus side plus side, or you can say side times 4. Okay, so here I will take 0.46 times 4, or 0.46 plus 0.46 plus 0.46, like that. But if we multiply this, we'll get, we'll multiply 4 times 6, that is 24. Write 4 and carry 2. 4 times 4, that is 16, which will give us 18. So that means that our answer is going to be 1.84 kilometers. That is going to be our answer for the perimeter there. Then when we come to this, we can still decide to use a formula which is side plus side plus side plus side, because we want to find the total distance around the shape. Then here we have 1.1 plus 1.1 plus 1.1 plus 1.1. So when we add all of this, we are going to have, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is going to be 4.4 meters as our perimeter. Remember always to write the units. When you miss the units, some examiners take off points from your answers. Then the perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side, because there are 3 sides. Then here I will have to add 6 plus 6 plus 4, and this will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. So this is going to be 16. We put centimeters. And that is our answer for that. Then we have our final example, which is perimeter of a rectangle. Now, when it comes to a rectangle, the formula becomes different. For the rectangle, we can say 2 into length plus width. That is the formula for perimeter. So we'll write 2 into, the length is 5 plus the width, which is 3. So here we'll say 5 plus 3, which is 8 times 2, giving us 16 meters. But still, here you can use an alternate formula, which is length plus length plus width plus width. It will still give you the same answer, 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3, which is going to be 16 meters. It is going to be the same, but the key formula for length for perimeter is 2 into length plus width. Thank you for following. See you in the next video.